Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Rogue battery. Before you begin, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards like battery acid. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the negative cable first. This is crucial to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. After that, disconnect the positive cable, and then you can remove the battery hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Start by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the terminal connectors to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the cleaned tray, making sure it sits securely. Then, connect the positive terminal cable first, tightening it firmly to ensure a secure connection. For the final steps, attach the negative terminal cable last, tightening it securely with your wrench. It's a good practice to apply some anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to prevent future buildup. Finally, start your Nissan Rogue to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your vehicle powers on without any issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.